Hey guys, this is another video tutorial on changing the color on an image. So I just showed you in a previous video how you can go in and use contour, because on this particular SVG file, it doesn't show all of the layers over here in the layers panel. You would actually have to, before I changed it, you would have had to go, and let me just do this right here. It'll make it much easier. Oh my God, my neighbors are really loud today. All right, so here we have it. So you can see that here on the right-hand side, this is a cut file, which is normally your SVGs. And you don't have all of the parts of this image over in your layers panel. So you would have to go to contour. So to understand what I'm talking about, you can go back to the previous video that I just uploaded on how to use contour. Okay. But this particular cut file is actually broken up in layers in the layers panel, and there's no access to contour. Okay. So depending on how that person created that particular SVG file will determine whether or not you have to go through contour or whether or not you'll be able to get it easily here on your layers panel. All right, so if I wanted to go in and let's say I wanted to change the color of her lips, the lips are easy for me to identify. They're right here. So all I have to do is select the lips and then change the color to whatever color I wanted to make them. Okay, and let's say I wanted to make her shirt match. This is her shirt, and all I have to do is just go ahead and select the shirt and add that color. And the same thing, anything on this right-hand side, you can actually just click on it and change the color. Now, it looks like this is a part of the glasses. We're going to take a look here and see. So we're going to go here, and we actually got her eyes. So I'm going to undo that. And let's take a look. It looks like her glasses, for some reason that looks like the glasses to me. I'm going to deselect them. Okay, so let's see what this is. Okay, so it looks like her glasses may be a part of her face. So I'm going to look up one more time just to see if I see anything that looks like glasses. And it looks like the glasses are a part of her face. So you can see here that it's all in black. So if I were to change that, you're going to see that her glasses are going to change, or part of the glasses are going to change. So let's take that off because that looks a hot mess. And it kind of looked like a part of them maybe. I think I still got her eyes. All right, so the glasses aren't as easily changeable. This definitely looks like glasses. Let's see. There we go. We got a little part of it. And let's see. So it was that part, and then it looked like a part of it is actually in the body. So you can change a little bit of the glasses color, but not all of it, because this black right here, that part is actually a part of her face. And I'm going to show you here. So you can see that there is a lot of it. If I were to change that to yellow, you see a part of her glasses here change to yellow. So there is a little bit down in here. Let me see if I can find it. Let's go one more again here. We know that's not it. That's the part of the glasses. So you kind of have to play around with it, guys, because it's not always going to be super, super easy. It may even look like it may be the glasses, and then you realize it's really not, because like that looked like it could have been a part of the glasses, but it was her eyes. So let me click back off of that. Let's see. This is a part of the hair. I think this is it right here, guys. So I'm just going to change it to the pinkish color. It look like it's a part of it. So those glasses are like really mixed in with a bunch of stuff. That's her hair. The little parts in her hair. And it's part of her lips. And I can tell because when I click on it on the right hand side, it highlights it here on the left hand side. So you cannot change those glasses. I think this is it right here. So yeah, you can't change any more of the glasses. The part that I've changed here is about as much as you're going to get because this part is blended in with something else that's black on the screen. So that's about as much as you can change. There's a little bit of the glasses. As far as the glasses and the lipstick goes, that's about as much as you're going to be able to change on the glasses. Of course, you can change the lips and then you can change the shirt. And then all of this other stuff you can change as well. But since I'm focusing on, I get more questions about glasses and lips, I just wanted to focus on those two things. So you can see how there's two different, based on how that SVG file was created, you may have to use contour or you may have to use the layers panel. The layers panel sometimes is a little bit easier to work for because it's all just broken out here in layers versus contour is going to be just the full image and you have to kind of figure out what's what. So I just wanted to show you the difference there based on the SVG file that you may get. All SVG files are not created the same. And so based on how it was put together will dictate whether or not you'll be using layers or whether you'll be using contour, okay? Because you can see here that contour is not even an option when I click on this SVG file. However, there's no layers on this one, but there's access to contour. So if you ever get an SVG file and you don't see layers and you've normally seen layers, don't freak out. You just have to use contour. And if you've gotten an SVG file where you actually had layers and you now don't have layers, don't freak out. Just go to contour. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. And if it doesn't, please feel free to reach out and I will assist you as best I can. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day.